Okay, so here is a brief introduction of our full digital conference system software. Before we log into the system, we have to write its IP address first to access to the host configuration. We click the gear icon in here, then we can write the host IP in here. And this is the IP address of my host now, just for reference. And then we can test whether the computer is already connected to our host. Then we return. The account and the password are both admit. Then we enter into the system, and the first thing we have to do is go to the host configurations. We'll have our software registered. And as you can see here, registration messages. All you need to do is to copy the host serial numbers to our sales manager. And after that, we'll get you back a registration code. You can write it in here and then register it. And also you can see in here, network setting. You can have your IP address of your host rewrite it in here. Then we move to the system configurations. If your project have the audio processor or the cameras, you can go to here. Then you activate these two functions. And then we move to the meeting list. Before we start the new meetings, we have to scan and record the current microphones into the software and also write the participants in. And we go to the meeting room layout first, scan the online device. And now as you can see, I have two microphones connected to the host, and then we can save it. Then we go to the personnel list, we add the attendees in. And as you can see, we have a lot of tasks that you can give to the participants. And also you can import the participants by the Excel templates. You just download it in here, and then you fill the files, and then you can upload it in here, confirm it. Now we can create a new meeting. And as you can see here, start and end time. For this meeting time is just a textual description. When the time is up, the system do not force the conference to close. And the meeting agenda, you can have the projection to the television or to the screen. You can have the voting. Then we can add the participants in. And also you can add the participants in here. And now we can have the sitting arrangement. We can click this one, auto sitting arrangement, to let the participant A use the microphone 2. Or you can drag them to the microphones. Then you can save it. And then you can have the meeting started. And this is the meeting. Then we can go to the camera managed. After we connect our camera to the host or to the central control device by the control cable, we can have the camera controlled in here. First, we select the video channels. Then we choose the preset position. And then we move the camera to the specific positions. Then we select which microphone is going to relate to this position. And then we can save it. And so the next time when the microphone is activated to speak, the camera will automatically move to this position. You can select the chairman to the position 2, then move the camera out, and then save it. And for the paramedic position, normally we choose the panoramic position be the last preset positions. Okay, so this is all the necessary setting we have to do, and thank you for your listening.